Welcome back to R&D Exploration. We are here at an abandoned chicken farm and a house, what I think is over there. We're going to have a wander around and check the place out. Right. A lot of stuff left behind, isn't there? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, wow. Yep. Loads of egg cartons. Yeah. It's obviously not a lot to see in this bit, just it's all paperwork. Toilet. Don't want to show any paperwork so we don't give away location. Little offices. Hmm. 17th of May. That must be when someone was last here. What you found?
Daddy.
See, this is saying it's Berkshire, but that looks like.
Daddy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Fucking wet. Right, we'll go out this door. Alright. I can't remember when we came here. When did we come here?
When I got rid of my toolkit, so back in. No, it was this year.
Yeah, because we had Volvo.
Yeah. 3 months, 4 months ago?
Yeah? Hasn't changed much, has it?
No.
I think that was like that when we came here last.
That wasn't, though.
No, that's fallen down.
But to be fair, it was.
It wasn't far off falling down anyway, was it?
I mean, I don't think it's been.
Ah. Can we still get to the house?
Yeah. Go down that way.
Oh no, it was this way, wasn't it? Oh look, it's there. Ah. This has grown a bit since we were last here. God. Oh. Oh. There are no windows left.
No.
Old Hoover has been smashed up. I don't know if this place has got worse. I can't really remember. No, I can't remember. Yeah, it was definitely in a bad state when we were last here. I think there's more graffiti. No, no windows. The old ivy going in through the windows, taking it back.
No, they've got rules like smoking weed outdoors.
Oh. Have you seen the spray paint thing? Look, yeah. Oh, that's like a proper stencil, isn't it?
Yeah, you can see the outline.
Oh. I like that, milkman. That's cool. Toilet's been smashed to bits.
Right, that's it.
Oh yeah. Don't look like there's much up there. I don't think they've been tidying up the back garden much.
No.
No. What's in the bathroom?
Just grotty old bath.
Oh, lovely. What's out this way? Stinging nails. Oh, Hoover. Proper old Hoover. That's good. That. Oh. Wade's got Rona. Someone has been in it and had a chicken and bacon wrap from Tesco. Hey, good choice.
Sleeping on that bed.
I wouldn't want to sleep on it. That's nasty. Oh, stables. That's a big bramble. Look at the thickness of that. Hasn't been cut for a while, has it? Well, this has grown up a bit since we were last here. Christ. That is taking over, isn't it? That's cool. Just stuff. Lots of stuff. Not sure what the stuff was used for, but there's stuff everywhere. It's wood. Yeah.
We got water feeders, isn't there?
Oh yeah. All the water feeders, some spare motors. Pipe. Computer. I think there's a lot else in the others. I think this is the first chicken shed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Charles just walked right into that one. I'm glad it wasn't me.
There you go, just this.
Was that one you could chew on?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh. I'm assuming this must have been free, not quite free range, would it?
Depends on if we'll let out. That's not. We've got through it through the middle, didn't we?
Yeah. I'll go this way. Yeah. I don't know if that would class as free range, would it? Oh no, that's what's for battery farm? Oh, what sort of noise they're making around there. Yeah. All the chickens would have been kept. They must have been let out at points to be fed. Oh, it's a dickhead. No?
No, there's nothing out there.
That's the way they used to catch the eggs though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go back through this way.
I know not what these would have taken to make all that fucking.
I would have thought.
Really? You can do that lot?
The thing is, if you look, they're in sections. See, look, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
So there's sections of 20.
Yeah, but all that stuff ain't in sections. That's all
Well, yeah, it is,
handled.
look.
That way, sort of bits and
So look,
bobs and.
that's a section, that's a section, section. So look, that's a section there. It's like IKEA, it's all flat pack.
Just the units as you have space to fill.
Exactly. See? Well, that's my missus' version of IKEA. She just buys as many units as she can fill the house with, just for storage.
Hey, it must be working, mate, because all the shit's not all over the fucking floors like it is in my house.
Yeah, but your house is the organisation of a bomb site.
Yes.
It's not generally your fault, though, is it?
No, usually my room tends to be the cleanest in the house.
Yeah, barn. Let's go have a look at the barn. Yeah, it's quite a sizable barn. Seems to be growing a tree in there. Oh, it's very green in here. Someone's burnt out the wheelbarrow. Someone's burnt out that bit. Where are people trying to burn these places? Oh wow, look. That's a PTO driven hedge cutter. Hey?
Right smack bang in the middle.
Oh god.
I bet it does.
Christ. Can't take you anywhere.
Hey, I didn't put it there.
Kit is for horses.
Nah.
No, it's not.
You're only going to do your mind. Yeah, and about 30 bolts.
Oh. I like how the sort of trees are just growing in
Well, yeah, because they've
little areas, aren't they? Like all the nettles there, and you got little trees.
it's like something bashed in the wall and they've all.
You know the main problem is, it's all asbestos, and asbestos is brittle. Oh, needs to be rabbit hole. Yeah, look, another rabbit hole. There's holes everywhere. You know, hole, arsehole.
Oh, fresco tub, mate. This is the.
Well, this have had the horses trotting around it.
I've no idea. It might have just been a.
That kind of flooring, isn't it, though?
Well, yeah, it's dust, isn't it?
I mean, it's not far from the fucking stable.
Well, no. Oh, sand school.
Yeah.
Yes, no, could have been. And I would have thought that wood round the outside. That might. I think a lot of sand schools. Some of them have like mirrors, so you can check out what the horse is doing. Oh yeah. Yeah, could have been. I don't know. Right. The next bit is a bit further up the path. So I'm going to stop here and I shall redo it back over there. It's got no roof on it, has it? Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, nature has reclaimed.
Always does.
Yeah. I think that would go back to the footpath by the car.
Possibly.
I think we'll go that way out.
Oh, really? Lovely.
Wade will let us look on his phone in a minute to see the maps. Alright, I think this is the last building up here. The quad bike was up here. I'm sure there was, the quad bike was here on the path. Oh no, but there is one more. Someone's been up on the roof to spray paint. Oh, there's the quad bike, isn't it?
That's a little bit worse for wear now.
Yeah, that is. Oh look, that one's actually completely collapsed.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that is a bit of quad. Headlights. Oh, slippery.
Yeah. Shit.
Yeah. Just another one. I don't think there's much point walking everyone back through this again, is there?
Seen
Yeah, there's. When, yeah, if you've seen the inside of one chicken shed, you've seen them all. Have a look at this quad bike. Hate this shit. Yep. Horrible stuff, that. That's a four-wheel drive quad bike.
that's healthier, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. What? Oh yeah. That's, oh look, this one is completely gone.
Yeah, 5 minutes, turn around and still tripped over it.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
This one's completely collapsed.
not that bad.
No, I don't remember it being this bad. Oh wow.
That one ain't very much better either, is it?
No. Both sides have collapsed, haven't they? Oh, state of that. Nature's come up through it well though, hasn't it? Oh well. Right. Well, there we go. That was the chicken farm. And yeah, that's it was the chicken farm because that is pretty well wrecked now. That's well, being wooden buildings, they obviously rot quicker and fall apart. But yeah, don't know how long this place has been abandoned, but it looks like it might be some time.
Long enough for asbestos to crumble.
Oh yeah, long enough for that to crumble. So, thanks for watching. Remember to please like and subscribe. Check out our Instagram and our Facebook page. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.